Understanding creative performance is not an easy task. With creatives competing for attention across multiple channels, how do you know which one truly makes an impact, and more importantly, which are favored by the algorithm? Introducing Stacked Area Graph, which provides a clear visual representation of your creative's performance. Each colored layer represents a creative, which in this example, its size indicates its share of cost in a daily view. Quickly see which creative is performing best as its layer grows and which is underperforming as its layer narrows. Now you can easily identify which creatives are trending over time, understand how they perform against each other, and see their budget distribution across channels. Analyze dimensions like geo, campaign, media source, custom dimensions, and more. You can also measure various key metrics such as installs, revenue, and impressions. This capability helps you easily understand which creatives are favored by the algorithm and analyze use cases across channels such as test new creatives before scaling, or see how an evergreen creative loses volume as a new top performer takes its place. The trending insights you gain empower both UA and creative teams to make data-driven decisions. UA teams can either double down on top-performing creatives or take down ones that waste ad spend. Creative teams can identify which creatives are scaling and craft additional versions that amplify success. Try Stacked Area Graph now to better optimize, gain insights for your next creatives, and stack your success.